close to midnight, and something evil skulking in the dark. Although the moonlight, you see a stick that just about stops your hair. You try to scream, but terror attacks the soon before you mark it. You start to freeze, that horror looks you right between the end. It's Halloween, and this is thriller, Nick. And maybe it's gonna save you. Be the beast of root to scalp. You can't have thriller, Nick. You're fighting for your life inside a killer thriller night. You hear the door dunt, and soon you lose. There's nowhere left to run. You feel the cold horn, and wonder if you'll ever see this end. You shut your ears and hope that this is just imagination. But all the while, you hear the creature creeping up behind. You're out of time, 'cause this is thriller, Nick. There is no second chance against the hangway 40. You can't have thriller, Nick. You're destined to survive inside a killer thriller night. Maybe she's full and the deeds start to walk in their guise in place. There's no escaping the jaws of the alien this time. This is the end of your life. They're out to get you. There's bubbles closing in on every side. They will possess you if you didn't change your number on your dial. Now is the time for you and me to curry in together. All for the night, I'll save you from the terrors on the screen.
And what I mean?
Now it's a thriller, Nick. 'Cause I can thrill you more than only gates would ever do. But this is thriller, Nick. Say let me hold you tight and share a killer, chiller, thriller This is thriller, Nick. Lost I can thrill you more than only gates would ever dare. Thriller, Nick. Say let me hold you tight and share a killer, thriller. Through all the night.
Darkness falls across the lawn. The midnight hour is near at hand. Craters crawl in search of bloods to frighten all your neighbours' kids.
Through all the night.
And whatsoever will be found, it's no in the mood for getting down. Stone and face the dogs of hell, and feel inside a corpse's shell.
Through all the night. Through all the night. Through all the night. Through all the night.
The most honking guff is in the air, the reek of 40,000 year, and eldritch ghosts be everywhere. Will see to it you get your fare. Oh, and though you fit to stay alive, your body starts to shitter. The name your mortal can resist. The coarseness, oh the thriller. Ha 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 ha!